Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. The sun is back. Yeah, baby, and I'm gonna harvest me some greens. Y'all wanna come with me? This is my super juice, and I need to give my garlic. Yeah, she needs some fertilizer. Yeah, it's thick in there, I tell you. But when I tell you it's right, baby. It's right. So I'm just getting this super juice and I'm putting it into my watering can. Yeah, that's what we're doing here. This super juice. Whew. Oh yeah, she good. She good and ripe. The garlic is gonna love it. She's gonna love it. But I'm gonna add something to it. You will see in a minute. So this super juice contains plantain, moringa, of course, greens from my garden. Lots of there is blossoms in this plantain. Yeah, I have a lot of great NPKs and more. Um, yeah, it is very nutrient ready for my plants. Yeah. So now let's go and give some to the garlic. hmm But I'm also adding, yeah, you all see it, 511. We're gonna put some 511 in here and get it all mixed up with this super juice, and we're gonna feed the garlic. Yeah. Let me stir it up good in here. Mix it up good. With all of the cold weather, the snow, they have taken a lot of climate changes. And as you can see, some of the chives are yellowing. So I'm going to help her out and I'm going to give them a good feed. Yeah. So in the next 2 to 3 days, you will see she will respond to this super juice of 511. These plants will respond in a major way. Yeah. I also gave them some bone meal. Yeah. All right. So my next seed I'm dropping now is evergreen bunching onions. Yeah, that's from the Dollar Tree. So there's one thing I want is a lot of green onions leeks. Yeah, and just onion, period, right? Because they're not just for eating, baby. No, they do much, much more in my garden than just me eating them, which in the end, I will be eating them, but they got to work for me. They got to go to work. And so I'm dropping these green onions. I have some leeks I will be dropping also. Deborah also sent me some leeks too. So listen, baby, I never have enough of them. So thank you, Deborah. Thank you, baby. So there we go. So now I'm just going to cover them up. Now I have 2 more little cups that is ready for a seed. So let's get it. So this is a seed that I am so excited about growing. I am truly excited about it. And I really want this plant, right? I really want, well, it's a tree really, but I really want this tree. And this tree is called the strawberry tree. The strawberry tree. I'm so excited about this tree. And now I could have purchased the tree. Yeah, I could have purchased the tree. I found the tree, but I would love to be able to grow the tree on my own. I would love to do that. So that's what I'm going for. Me dropping my own seed and growing my own strawberry tree. All right, guys, wish me luck. So what I did was I put some perlite in the soil. Yeah, so it could be nice and fluffy. And let's get this strawberry tree on because, oh, that's my new plant for 2025. Yeah, that's one of them. Okay, so now my sunflowers is dropped here, and yeah. So now I'm gonna drop some of my new vegetables. So I have one vegetable here that Deborah Garrett sent to me. Yeah, let's check it out. All right, so here is the seeds that Deborah Garrett sent to me a while ago. And this is the one I'm gonna drop right now. There it is. I hope you can see it. The sun is pretty bright out here. Thank God for the sun. But this is it. And it is an amazing, beautiful vegetable. So I want to get it out really early. So I got me a cup all ready. Oh, baby, she nice and ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop 4 seeds. Now, I don't know if I'm going to keep 4 plants, but I'm definitely going to drop the 4 seeds just in case, you know. And I'm going to put it in 2 in each cup. So I'm going to do 2 cups. And I'm going to drop them in 2 cups. That seed don't look too healthy, so I'm going to drop another one. Yeah, that seed looked kind of flat, so I'm going to get me 2 more healthy seeds. I'm going to put 1 in each cup, just in case, because the other seed don't look too healthy. I want them fat. I want a fat seed. Yeah. All right, there we go. That looked a little better. All right. Thank you, Deborah. Thank you, baby. we're gonna get this vegetable together. Now, this vegetable needs a trellis, so definitely I will have my trellis up. Ben will be doing that sometimes this weekend, and we're gonna get this, and that will be for my cucumbers and this plant also. Yeah. So I'm watering my garden, and this who I see moving around out here. You know. So if you don't know what that is a ground grub. He's a ground grub. And what he do, he will transform into the Japanese spider. Yep. Now he gonna play dead, y'all. He playing dead. What's up with that? Stop playing dead, bro. I know you're alive and well. I saw you. Yeah, but anyway. Now he will not play dead. Okay? Y'all say goodnight to him, right? I have 2 more plants over here that is giving me broccoli. Now, I've made harvests of broccoli before the snow. This is, of course, after, and they are doing well. Now, they've had some burnt leaves, and I've taken a lot off, but baby, they're going to live another day to give me more food. Oh, yeah. All right, guys, so I'm out here getting the last of these butterfly pea pods. And this is what I've harvested so far. There's still a lot of them on here, and I'm gonna get them off, the ones that I'm gonna get, and then I'm going to take this plant down. Yeah. They're all ready. They've been under snow and they're cool. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop some of them just to see how they do, how valuable they are after getting frozen, and just see if they're valuable, which I think they are. But so I'm trying to get a little lunch, just a little something. And if I could get about 4 to 5 carrots, listen, they don't have to be giants and all this other kind of stuff. I just want something really good, right? I just need a carrot. Well, that's not the one. Yeah, I just need about 4 or 5 carrots. That's all I need. Come on, baby. Give it to me, baby. No, girl. All right, let's see. Let's see if we could get another one over here. So these are not giant carrots, right? No, they're not the giants. Let me clean this plant all y'all over here. That is a calabash who made it through the storm, baby. She made it through the storm. You heard me? She got through that that snow. Jada. Well, all 3 of my grandkids, they had a ball. You hear what I say? When I say those kids had a ball, they had a ball, baby. They really did. They enjoyed that snow. They made so many videos. Oh, God. Jada had a blast. And I was very, very happy for her that she experienced the snow. And, I was happy because she was happy. And my grandsons, they enjoyed it. They made all kinds of snowmen, man. And they decorated those snowmen to look like New Orleans, baby. They looked like New Orleans. Yes, and many kids in New Orleans. Listen, they had Mardi Gras beads all around them. Yes, they were. I mean, absolutely just beautiful. Look at something ate this one. Well, I'll be damned. Okay, okay. I'll find him. Let's see. Okay, this is nice. We gonna get something out of here, that's for sure. You know, we gonna get something. All right, but yeah, the snow was really good for them. But I know every adult say, "Okay, babies, y'all had a good time. Good. Now, Lord, send it away." So I wanted to share just how many of my plantains are looking. She growing back. This one is growing back. Well, y'all know she gone, but this one is growing back. So many of them is growing back, and the ones that put on their fruit, they are not. This one is not coming back. That one is not. She's coming back. This one is not. So that's how you know. And a lot of them, look at this one here. She coming back crazy, but she coming back. So he got big pieces all over because I want him to save some of them so we can chop them up real good and put them around the trees. And that's my plantains. And a lot of this too, because all of those leaves are amazing. That's amazing stuff. So it's gonna go in the garden and it's gonna help me eat good. Yeah. All right, family.